Go. What happened?
I just fell down.
Are you gonna try again?
Yeah, now I push this down.
That's a bad way to start your first video segment. Alright, let's do it. Jump on, bud. You gotta jump on and pedal. Oh, 2 in a row. Jeremy, are you alright?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Are you still alive? Can you feel your fingers? Do you have all your toes?
Yeah.
Okay, look at me. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, Cookies.
Hi. We just all watched you fall down twice. What do you say about that?
Sure, you can pet him. He won't hurt you. He might jump on you because he'll lick you. But he won't hurt you.